G'day everybody, it's Remy here from KickAss Products. Now, I've got something pretty cool and very unique to the market to show you guys today. We've got a brand new 30-litre air fryer oven. Now, this guy is something truly unique to the market. Full 30-litre capacity, really quite a large unit. You can cook a full-size roast for you, the kids, the family, the whole lot, all in one go. No skipping meals, no one having to wait till later on to have their food. Everybody can eat together. Let's dive in and have a good look at this guy. Now, as you all know, when you've been out there traveling, it's always a struggle. When you're trying to cook for everybody at the campsite, someone's meal's always gone cold by the time that everybody else's is done because of the size of the cooking elements that we've got. This guy solves the problems for us. We've got more than enough size and more than enough capacity to cook a chicken, roast veg, you name it. You can put everything in here. You can cook a proper size meal for a good sized family and keep everybody happy and everybody eating at the same time. Now guys, this is really unique. A 30-litre air fryer oven gives you heaps of capacity, lots and lots of space. Unlike the other camp ovens that are out there where they're always a little bit too small or you're really struggling to put things in there or they don't get the temperature, don't have those issues with this guy. More than enough space to cook a full-size chicken, veg, you name it. You can put everything in here and feed the tribe all in one go. Super, super good. Now, you may be thinking this is just an air fryer, but let me tell you, this is extremely more versatile than what you'd think. We've got air frying functions for this, bake, roast, dehydrate, defrost, you name it. We've got all of the features that you'd come to expect from your home oven built into this guy, so you can take it out on the road, do everything that you expect to in your own kitchen at home. Extremely versatile, really limiting the amount of things you actually have to take with you, limiting the actual amount of cooking equipment that you need on your next trip. Now let's talk about performance for a minute. An 1800 watt heating element built into this guy, giving you guys a 360 degree, nice even heat throughout everything that you're putting in here. Maximum temperature of 230 degrees, making sure that everything you put in here is properly cooked on the crispy on the outside, heated all the way to the center. It's not just a warmer, guys. This is a proper oven, a unit that you're actually going to be able to use out there and make sure that your family's well looked after. Now let's talk about what makes this unit really built to travel. Now with this unit, we've included a door lock here, making sure that when we're traveling, the door itself isn't able to open. So we're making sure that obviously everything stays inside this unit. Nothing's going to go astray while you're moving. Naturally included in the box, you've got the mounting solutions here. And these guys go straight onto the side of the unit, and we've got 2 holes to mount it straight down onto any surface that we're possibly putting this unit on. Really, really good for all of our canopy usage, anything like our full drive drawers, even into boat galleys and things like that. This unit's really been designed so that we can travel with it. It's designed to take the rigors of Australian conditions, whether that's corrugations, beating over waves, anything you can throw at it, it's going to stand up to the task. All right guys, now let's talk about power. This unit here is a 240 volt appliance, an 1800 watt heating element, meaning that we can run this off a 2000 watt inverter, our 2K power boss, our 2400 watt kick charge, and even our 3K kick charge. Now, with this unit here, it's the perfect solution for finishing off the already set up installation that you've got enough power in this to run with your 2000 watt inverter or similar installations. This is the perfect cooking appliance to finish off your terrain. Righto guys, now let's talk about something very important, the safety features built into this unit. Obviously with the compact size that this is and the design being mounted into canopies, full drives and those type of applications, generally it's in some pretty confined spaces. We've built in some overprotection in this unit, meaning that if it overheats or it goes outside of what it should be doing in a normal application, the unit will shut down and safeguard itself, meaning that you can turn this unit, put everything you need to in there, walk away knowing that you're safe and won't have any issue with this unit. Alright guys, now I hope this has helped you to understand a little bit more about this awesome new product from us. Now if you've got any questions, always give us a call. We're more than happy to help out. Keep some information online and of course, come into store. We've got these guys on display so you might touch and feel and have a look for yourself. Our team's always more than happy to help you guys out. Hope this has helped out guys. Have a good day.